Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to record voice in BandLab. Recording a voice in BandLab is one of the easiest way to start creating music. Whether you're singing, rapping or recording a podcast, BandLab gives you a full-featured mobile studio to capture and edit vocals with professional effects. So first you need to launch your BandLab app on your phone, and after that once you get into this interface of your BandLab, on the bottom we can find to this plus icon. Select to that, and over here you will see this interface. What you can do is you need to tap on the voice or audio, and after that on the bottom left you can find to this small microphone icon. You can tap on that icon, and you can tap on the red icon on the bottom in order to record it. And after you're done you can tap on the save and select save on the bottom, or you can also publish if you want, which is optional. Recording your voice in BandLab is simple and beginner friendly, and by following this step you can start capturing your vocals and building songs on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.